Hey everybody, welcome back to our YouTube channel How Logical. In today's video, I'm gonna show you guys how to log into your Beyond bank account. For this guys, what you need to do is just open up any web browser, as I have already opened the Microsoft Edge, and bring up the search bar and type in Beyond bank login and hit the search. Make sure it takes you to the official link online.beyondbank.com.au. Now guys, you will be directly taken to the Beyond bank login page. Over here you just need to enter your member number. Similarly, you just need to enter your password over here. If you want to see your password or confirm your password, just click on I icon to see your password. And once you click on login button, you will be easily access your account. In case if you forgot your password, just click on forgot your password to recover your password. If you don't have any account of Beyond Bank, just click on that open an account now. This much for today's video. If you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and do not forget to subscribe our channel, and also hit the bell icon for our latest video and drop a comment for reviews and more content like this. I'll see you guys again in our next video. Thank you for watching.